Welcome to Quick Fix, the show where I answer your most commonly asked tech questions in 90 seconds or less. Today, we're getting a PS5. Hopefully. If you're bummed that you haven't been able to get your hands on a new PlayStation, or a new Xbox, or even toilet paper, NowInStock is the solution. NowInStock doesn't have an app, so load the website and create an account. Be sure to include your email and your phone number. Find the product you want to buy and click the little dots to create alerts. In left to right order, that's text, desktop/browser, and email alerts. Next, select which alerts you want, when an item is in stock or when it's available for pre-order. If the item you're looking for isn't in crazy demand, then the text and email alerts should work just fine. For super hard to get items like the PS5, NowInStock isn't fast enough. You'll want to sign up for the site's Discord and enable notifications there, which will get the news to your phone even faster than a text message. Remember, there's no guarantee you'll get what you want, but may the odds be ever in your favor. Here's a bonus tip. Check NowInStock's listings for when items are typically restocked at various retailers. You might be able to deduce a pattern. Say, if Target typically updates its PS5 inventory within a certain window, you'll know that you can just head right to Target at that time on different days and keep refreshing to see if anything pops up.